Imagine being told you're uneducated and too young to understand. But we don't have to imagine.
Politics isn't something to joke about, and that's all you kids seem to be doing, taking the mickey of us politicians. Leave the politics to the adults.
Maybe we could come back to your idea when, I don't know, you're 5, 10 years older. I'm sure you will have developed it properly by then. Just carry on with your schoolwork for now.
We're always on their phone. They never listen. They never look at the real world to see what it has to offer.
Kids these days, they think they know everything. They should just leave the important stuff to us adults because we know what we're talking about and they don't.
Mae plant yn efo stress yn barod efo ysgol. Dylen nhw ddim cael y stress I ddewis rhywun I rheoli bywyd nhw.
Yes, that's an absolutely lovely idea, but oh, come on, there are a bit bigger issues right now.
On the other hand, we hear decision makers saying that children are the future.
And they want to hear our ideas because they expect us to figure everything out.
Young people put adults to shame.
We can't win.
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 Politics isn't just men in suits. It affects us all, and we should have the right to have the say on the decisions made about us.
Times young people know and see things that adults don't.
While we can't fix everything in our community, we want you to know that we have power and that we can make change with organisations like TCC, with adults backing us up and respecting us.
It's okay to feel scared, embarrassed, shy when talking to decision makers. Just know that your views are valid and just as important.
We came to a TCC meeting and it was weird because we're not used to adults listening to us. They wanted to hear what we had to say.
At TCC, it's really good working with adults and get our views listened to.
It feels great to have my opinion listened to.
From being a part of TCC, I've learned that I have the power to make a change in my community.
I've learned that my opinion is important. I know how to approach someone in power and how to speak to them.
Young leaders at TCC have
got a hearing loop installed at a local bank.
Vegetarian options on menus in school.
Improved British Sign Language provision for deaf young people.
Got PCSOs to take action on antisocial behaviour in Connors Quay.
Committed the local college to take actions to support students who are refugees or seeking asylum.
Got a secondary school to become the first school of sanctuary in North Wales.
And we're launching a new campaign for mental health in schools.